Hi, friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into 1000 common action verbs that everyone can use in their daily life. Whether you're learning English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this is the perfect place to start. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more helpful videos. Let's get into it. Run. Run. She runs every morning to stay healthy. She runs every morning to stay healthy. Jump. Jump. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. The kids love to jump on the trampoline. Drink. Drink. He drinks a glass of water after his workout. He drinks a glass of water after his workout. Walk. Walk. I walk to work every day. I walk to work every day. Speak. Speak. She speaks 3 languages fluently. She speaks 3 languages fluently. Sing. Sing. She sings beautifully in the choir. She sings beautifully in the choir. Teach. Teach. She teaches math at the local school. She teaches math at the local school. Open. Open. She opens the door to let the dog in. She opens the door to let the dog in. Cry. Cry. He cried when he heard the sad news. He cried when he heard the sad news. Ask. Ask. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Give. Give. He gave him a birthday gift. He gave him a birthday gift. Hug. Hug. She gave him a big hug when he arrived. She gave him a big hug when he arrived. Laugh. Laugh. He always makes people laugh. He always makes people laugh. Meet. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe at noon. Let's meet at the cafe at noon. Hate. Hate. She hates waking up early. She hates waking up early. Disagree. Disagree. We often disagree on politics. We often disagree on politics. Wait. Wait. We waited for an hour at the bus stop. We waited for an hour at the bus stop. Spend. Spend. He spends too much time on his phone. He spends too much time on his phone. Win. Win. They won the soccer game last weekend. They won the soccer game last weekend. Guess. Guess. Can you guess how old I am? Can you guess how old I am? Promise. Promise. I promise to call you tomorrow. I promise to call you tomorrow. Wish. Wish. I wish I could travel more. I wish I could travel more. Shout. Shout. He shouted when he saw the surprise. He shouted when he saw the surprise. Clap. Clap. Everyone clapped at the end of the performance. Everyone clapped at the end of the performance. Smile. Smile. She smiled when she saw her friend. She smiled when she saw her friend. Whisper. Whisper. He whispered a secret in her ear. He whispered a secret in her ear. Shiver. Shiver. He shivered in the cold wind. He shivered in the cold wind. Scream. Scream. They screamed when they saw the spider. They screamed when they saw the spider. Knock. Knock. Please knock before entering the room. Please knock before entering the room. Sigh. Sigh. She sighed in relief after finishing his exam. She sighed in relief after finishing his exam. Shake. Shake. She shook his hand firmly. She shook his hand firmly. Climb. Climb. They climbed the mountain together. They climbed the mountain together. Stare. Stare. He stared at the painting for a long time. He stared at the painting for a long time. Glance. Glance. She glanced at her watch during the meeting. She glanced at her watch during the meeting. Hide. Hide. She hid behind the tree during the game. She hid behind the tree during the game. Kick. Kick. He kicked the soccer ball into the goal. He kicked the soccer ball into the goal. Pull. Pull. She pulled the door shut behind her. She pulled the door shut behind her. Push. Push. He pushed the cart down the aisle. He pushed the cart down the aisle. Drag. Drag. They dragged the heavy suitcase across the floor. They dragged the heavy suitcase across the floor. Flip. Flip. He flipped the pancake in the pan. He flipped the pancake in the pan. Twist. Twist. She twisted the lid off the jar. She twisted the lid off the jar. Crawl. Crawl. The baby crawled across the floor. The baby crawled across the floor. Hop. Hop. The rabbit hopped across the field. The rabbit hopped across the field. Tremble. Tremble. His hands trembled from the cold. His hands trembled from the cold. Leap. Leap. She leaped over the puddle. She leaped over the puddle. Bite. Bite. The dog bit into the bone eagerly. The dog bit into the bone eagerly. Chew. Chew. He chewed his food slowly. He chewed his food slowly. Wink. Wink. She winked at him playfully. She winked at him playfully. Frown. Frown. He frowned when he didn't understand the joke. He frowned when he didn't understand the joke. Punch. Punch. The boxer punched his opponent in the ring. The boxer punched his opponent in the ring. Wipe. Wipe. He wiped the sweat from his forehead. He wiped the sweat from his forehead. Knead. Knead. She kneaded the dough for the bread. She kneaded the dough for the bread. Freeze. Freeze. They froze the leftovers for another day. They froze the leftovers for another day. Whisk. Whisk. He whisked the eggs for the omelet. He whisked the eggs for the omelet. Dip. Dip. He dipped the bread into the soup. He dipped the bread into the soup. Cough. Cough. He coughed loudly in the quiet room. He coughed loudly in the quiet room. Hiccup. Hiccup. He hiccuped after drinking soda too quickly. He hiccuped after drinking soda too quickly. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found these action verbs helpful and easy to use. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.